Deep in the wild, only the bold survive. On Mega Hub, we spotlight the heavy haulers built to thrive in mud, hills, and chaos. Machines made to muscle timber out of the hardest places on Earth. This isn't just about horsepower, it's about traction control, axle articulation, and keeping momentum through soft terrain. The Mercedes-Benz Track 1000 is a robust four-wheel drive tractor that epitomizes the essence of forestry machinery manufactured from 1982 to 1991. This machine is still regarded as a reliable workfor in the industry, with a weight of 4.5 tons and a 70.8 cow engine. It's a true powerhouse for timber hauling. That's a serious piece of timber. The loader is groaning under the strain. Moving something that massive inch by inch must be nerve-wracking. For the operator, precision is absolutely key here. Nah, there's nothing quite like seeing a tractor drag an S 950 full of logs through a muddy trail. It's like watching a beast of burden moving. In timber hauling, it's not just about speed. It's about precision, control, and experience. The best drivers don't just charge ahead. They read the terrain, anticipate trouble, and respond with calm, calculated moves. Treacherous roads demand more than brute strength. They call for skill, strategy, and finesse. The loader's grapple arm articulates smoothly and aligns with log stacks effortlessly, saving time and reducing wear on the truck bed. Dealing with an overturned LKT-80 is no small task. It's a process that requires patient skill and the right equipment. The key is to take your time and not rush the process. After all, this isn't just about fixing a machine. It's about ensuring its safety and longevity. Watch the Komatsu 895 glide effortlessly over rugged terrain, like it owns the ground beneath it. That 20-ton load capacity isn't just a number on a spec sheet, it's a game changer that keeps the operation moving without missing a beat. With a design that fuses raw power and intelligent engineering, Komatsu proves that true efficiency means caring for the machine and the person behind the controls. Scania's torque delivery is next level, with engines pushing up to 770 horsepower and advanced retarder braking. This rig eats up mountain logging roads like they're highways. TAFs aren't just old-school brutes. They're smart machines. With modern upgrades like better hydraulics, operator cabins with visibility, and fuel-efficient engines, they prove that forestry doesn't have to mean outdated tech. This is where balance meets brute force. Every throttle push has to be calculated, or that rig slides straight into the river. The TDT-55 may be an old-school workhorse, but it still earns respect in the field. With its reliable DT-75 track base and a pulling capacity of up to 6 tons, it's built for rugged terrain and relentless workloads. This is raw Soviet engineering at its most practical. Winch logging might look slow compared to machines, but what it offers in control and precision is unmatched. When you're working on steep slopes or in dense forest stands, nothing beats a well-calibrated cable and a skilled operator. Watching the MB Track 1000 move through that terrain is like seeing a mountain goat navigate the wild, agile, confident, and built for it. It glides through tricky spots with ease, proving that even in the heart of a snowstorm, this machine is more than ready for the challenge. The John Deere 859MH isn't just a machine, it's a precision felling powerhouse. With its heavy-duty undercarriage and a boom reach of nearly 10 meters, It handles steep terrain like a pro. Every movement feels balanced, even under pressure. Drive when you see a 9, axle 3344, rolling down the dirt road fully loaded with logs. You know it means business. This isn't just about size, it's about engineering precision. The balanced load distribution across all axles ensures stability, even on uneven terrain. With a payload like this, you need strength and control, and the 3344 delivers both in spades durability. There's something timeless about watching a horse haul timber through the snow. It's not just about getting the job done. It's about harmony with nature. In conditions where machines might fail, a well-trained draft horse proves its worth with quiet strength and unmatched endurance. When it comes to conquering muddy, unforgiving terrain, the Valet 830.1 stands in a league of its own. With a 9-ton carrying capacity, this machine doesn't just get the job done, it dominates the task at hand. Engineered for durability and peak efficiency, it turns even the toughest conditions into a smooth ride. If the job demands strength, stability, and unwavering reliability, the 830.1 is the clear choice. Sometimes even the terrain knows when it's outmatched. Impress the Ecolog 574F combines everything a forestry pro could ask for: a reliable Volvo pen, Stage V engine 14-ton loading capacity, and an updated design for comfort and easy maintenance. This machine doesn't just work, it excels in every condition. An accident waiting to happen. The notch is completely off, the tie-in point's way too low. Everything about this setup screams disaster. Look at how stable that suspension is under load. No sway, no struggle. That's what air ride plus retarder braking does on the descent. The Komatsu 901XC may be compact, but it punches way above its weight class. That dual swing arm setup keeps it planted even against massive trees like this. The Kockums 822 is a classic that still holds its ground. With a load capacity of around 10 tons and a strong hydrostatic drive, it was ahead of its time. Even today in rough Nordic terrain, this forwarder proves that good design never gets old. You can't help but respect the pilots behind these operations. Hovering in tough winds, balancing loads midair, and dropping logs with pinpoint accuracy. This is forestry with nerves of steel. Man, that was smooth. The way the driver handled that tight corner was nothing short of masterful. Every move calculated, every turn precise. If that doesn't make you appreciate the skill it takes to command a rig like that, I don't know what will. The Caterpillar 966C log fork effortlessly loading massive logs on the classic Mercedes-Benz 911. What a perfect combo of power and precision. The Cat's strength and control meet the Mercedes' durability, creating an unstoppable duo in the logging world. Tiger Cat's six-wheel skidder is a beast in the brush. Massive tractive power, balanced weight distribution, and articulation that eats terrain alive. Old-school forestry iron like this may look simple, but it's a masterclass in durable, low-maintenance engineering. Precision meets power. That hydraulic grapple moves with surgical control, even on uneven forest terrain. Every time that dust cloud rises, it's like a warning. Mega monster incoming! Thanks for watching, everyone. Let us know your favorite moment in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. We'll see you next time.